The Reggae Boyz may not be in action until 2021 after the Jamaica Football Federation was forced to pull the plug on negotiations for games next month. In a release on Sunday, the JFF revealed that they'll forego the proposed friendly games in the United States in October. Jamaica was in negotiations to play the USA and a top Central American team in the USA, but the continued rise in number of COVID-19 cases has forced the postponement of both games for health and safety reasons. JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint explained the reason behind the decision.
But at this time, very difficult because, as you notice, most people has put a ban on Jamaica in terms of travel. So it's a 14-day quarantine, and the window is just a couple of days away from now. It will be difficult. Not impossible, but it will be very, very difficult. We'll have to look at the November window.
Wynn added that the current rise in cases locally has also prevented the JFF from finding an alternative.